Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we need to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra that just came out. So, as you all know, I'm a huge Samsung fan, diehard Samsung fan. I've tried both Samsung and Apple, and I prefer Samsung or Google. I would be up to buying a Pixel phone to try that out because I haven't tried that out yet. I am interested in what stock Android looks like. But there's just certain features with Samsung that's kind of like kept me in the Samsung realm devices. And just like, for example, like I have my Gear Sport watch. I use this for running, keeping updates, getting notifications and stuff like that, keeping time, obviously. And then I got my Galaxy Buds over here. So we got the Note 20 Ultra that just came out. I've always been a fan of the Note series, but yet I've never considered actually buying one, which is weird. And I think the reason for that is just the phone is just too big. I would love to have a stylus with my phone. I have an S9, really compact device, great screen, decent battery life, really fast processor, Snapdragon 845. But now they're on like the 865 or something. Like it's crazy. Like the processors are on Android as well as iOS are getting super blazing fast at this point. But something that's weird that the Note is doing, like don't get me wrong, the Note's an amazing phone. It pushes the boundaries every single year. It usually builds on the S series that comes out at the beginning of the year. But like there's certain features with the Note that just, it doesn't make sense. Like it's still an expensive phone, yet they're taking features away, and I'm noticing this is a common trend with smartphones now. I believe the Note 20, like not the Ultra version, only has a 1080p screen and it doesn't have a glass back, so no wireless charging. So I don't know why they do that. It's like we're almost stepping back. Like we've had 1440p displays on Samsung devices for the longest time. And I just want to quickly I just looked it up so I'm not spewing inaccurate information. But so the Note 20 comes with a Snapdragon 865 compared to the Note 20 Ultra, which is Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is faster. So they're almost downgrading the processor. It's a 60 hertz panel, 1080p panel. So granted, it's Super AMOLED, so it's Samsung. Like even though it's 1080p, it's still wicked sharp. But still, it's like it's a downgrade, which I don't understand. It's like as time progresses, there should no longer be downgrades. The phone's $1,000 at the moment. Like that's really expensive. I wouldn't call that like a budget smartphone at this point. Like $1,000 a couple years ago used to be the most expensive smartphone ever. Now it's kind of like getting into that range of like, oh yeah, it's like the average price of a top tier smartphone or flagship smartphone, right? So I don't know why they keep cutting corners or with devices like this, and the bezels are slightly larger. I feel like we're taking a step back, and the price is not reflective of those setbacks. To me, they should knock off another $200 and make an $800 device at minimum, or at maximum, basically. It could be lower. Because like you have OnePlus devices that supersede this, you have iPhones that supersede this. It's just there's too many compromises on this device, and I don't know why Samsung decided to do that. Don't get me wrong, the camera's amazing and everything like that, and the colors are nice. But like, and even in the S Pen doesn't have that like faster. I don't know what it's called. It's response time. The former one is 26 milliseconds. The Ultra has 9 milliseconds. So like big difference there with the S Pen and how responsive it is. But yeah, it's like we moved so far with the S20 having 120 hertz panels and all that, and you're dropping it down to 60 hertz. It's like Samsung, come on, like boost it up. This is the Note. This is where you go all out with the specs. You don't downgrade your specs from the S series. All specs on the Note should be an upgrade from the S, a slight upgrade, not like a major upgrade. We should not be seeing downgrades here. But guys, that's going to be it for the video. I don't know if this is impacted from the pandemic, Samsung struggling with financials. I believe they are, so maybe this is a result of that, and they're kind of like financially restricted at the moment, and they have to make these compromises and kind of like raise the price a little. But That's what I think. If you enjoyed this, smash the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video from Like Mazy. Also check out the College Mazy podcast if you guys are interested. Link down below. Check you guys in the next one.